Hi, I'm Tony Stark, better known as Iron Man, for Muzak. You know, people don't think much about Muzak, and that's just the way we like it.
Be happy.
We're happy to keep a low profile. For over 30 years, we've been the quiet backbeat in the great symphony of mindless tasks that is the real America.
Be happy. Buy something.
But now that robots are taking over those grimy industrial jobs, we've got a chance to really come into our own.
Do what you're told.
We're helping to extend the smooth, programmed efficiency of the automated factory to every moment of your daily life.
Submit.
Whether you're plugged into your clean, safe, dull routine at the office, pushing your cart round the supermarket and nervously eyeing the price stickers, hanging out at the employment office, or just waiting for a service representative to take your complaint, we're there to keep you in line. Remember, when you hear Muzak, you know you're still at work.
Work is sex.